Alaga niya pang tita, wow.
Alaga niya pang tita, hindi pang bisita. You're not allowed to go outside. Saklang ng dick eh, wow. Bawal. Charot lang.
Magandang makeup.
Sobrang stricto niya kasi ano siya, probinsyana siya, di ba? So, na-play niya yung culture ng Dabawenya niya dito. Alagang-alaga niya kami dito. So, mga tao, you should tweet it right now. I-tweet niyo si Gigi Era na, thank you for caring. Thank you for caring.
Taking care, tanga.
Thank you for taking care of our Filipina goddess. Hashtag Tiyanak ng Pinas. Yes. But now, she's officially a Tiyanak of the Australia because there's no Tiyanak here. Only